Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use leverage on Webull. Leverage is a powerful financial tool that lets you borrow money from Webull to buy more securities than you could with just your own cash. This process, known as margin trading, can significantly boost your potential profits. However, it's crucial to understand that it also amplifies your potential losses, so careful consideration is key. You'll need a margin account to access this feature. To begin using leverage, you first need to open a margin account. You must be at least 18 years old and a United States resident. Webull requires a minimum of $2,000 in your account equity to qualify. The application process is straightforward. Simply apply through the Webull app or website. You will need to complete a margin agreement and a suitability questionnaire, which helps Webull assess your trading experience and risk tolerance before approval. Webull offers different leverage ratios depending on your trading activity. For day trades, you can access up to 4 times your buying power, meaning a $1,000 account could trade up to $4,000. For positions held overnight, this leverage is typically 2 times. Be aware of the pattern day trader rule. If your account equity is below $25,000, you are limited to 3 day trades within a rolling 5 business day period. While leverage can enhance returns, it also significantly increases risk. Losses can exceed your initial investment, so careful monitoring is essential. A critical risk is a margin call, where you must deposit more funds if your account equity falls below required levels. Webull charges interest on borrowed funds, calculated daily and paid monthly, which adds to your trading costs. Always understand the specific margin requirements for each stock you trade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.